Hey everyone, just wanted to go over a few quick things about Google Classroom. Alright, firstly, where to go for what the stream is, and what the Classwork section is, and secondly, my assignment expectations for you. So, what is the stream? The stream is a place for the teachers to post announcements and for students to post any questions for the whole class. Alright? Please remember that this is not a place for you to have long social media type chats with your friends. Alright, everybody in the class can see the stream. Saying hi and asking how everyone is doing is okay, or something like that, that's fine. Alright, but having a one-on-one conversation with your friend, or even with a small group of friends, is not okay in the stream. Alright, please remember that this classroom and any other site you go to for schoolwork is as if you are in school. What that means is any of the school rules apply on any of these sites. Okay, so please watch what you say and what you do, because once it's out there, you can't take it back. Even if you delete it, it's still permanent out there in the internet. So, the stream is for announcements. The classwork section is for classwork. In the classwork section, you'll see some topics. You'll see the music topic, and you'll see the PE and health topic. Alright, so the music topic will have 3 different things to click on underneath it. One of those things is just a material, alright, and that material is the music website link. So when you click on that, it'll take you to our school music website and have plenty of links and resources that we'll go over in another video that you could use to have some fun while you're at home. The other 2 under the music topic will be the NonTech Activities assignment. A lot of you have used that already this past week. Alright, and the other one will be a new assignment that I'll be posting for the week. Alright, so when you are completing your work for the week, just note, you can choose either the non-tech activity or the new assignment for the week. Yes, you could do all of them if you want. If you have the time and you want to do all of the assignments that are posted there in the non-tech activities and in the new assignment, you're more than welcome to. But I do not expect you to do both the non-tech activity and the new assignment for the week. Alright? For the PE and health topic, please follow the directions for the assignments that they post and then hit turn in. Alright. Non-tech activities. Open the Google Doc and choose an activity to complete. Alright? Complete it by doing any of the following. Write how you complete it in the doc and mark the date in the box and then hit turn in. Alright? Another way you could complete this activity would be to take a picture or video and attach them to the Google assignment and then hit turn in. Or share your pictures and videos on Flipgrid and hit turn in. Now please note, these non-tech activity assignment, I will return it to you with a grade each week. But the next week, if you choose to do another non-tech activity, use the same assignment again. That's why I have a doc there with the chart for dates. You can mark each date that you complete one of those activities and it will keep going. Alright, Google on the teacher end will share with me every time that you have submitted it, and every time that I return it to you, you'll see the new grade. There will be a whole grade history for it. Alright, so again, this is one option. Alright, if you don't want to do the new activity and you just want to do a non-tech activity that you haven't done yet, just go to the non-tech tech activities and do these directions. Follow these directions. Alright, the weekly assignment, alright, those may use videos or Google Docs or slides, Chrome Music Lab, Noteflight, Soundtrap, Flipgrid, etc. Alright, assignments will be explained in a brief video, alright, and some written directions as well. Alright, depending on what the assignment is, you might have to turn in a little bit differently. Alright, but most of the assignments will be still turned in through Google. You'll still hit the turn in or the submit button. Alright, so that's about it. If you have any questions about anything I put in this video, please just reach out. Your parents can email me or you can, of course, make a comment on the Google Classroom. I hope that you guys are having a great day, and I hope to see you really soon.